It's the first day in the hearing of the main petition filed by the People's Democratic Party and its presidential candidate challenging the election of President Muhammadu Buhari. Present in court are the vice presidential candidate of the party, Mr. Peter Obi, and other leaders of the party, including Chief Tommy Kemi. An unusual face in the sitting of the tribunal is constitutional lawyer Professor Nwabueze, who appeared for the petitioners and later handed over to Mr. Levi Uzoku to lead the team. But an attempt by Mr. Uzoku to tender election materials from different states of the Federation before the tribunal was resisted by the respondents in the suit. All the respondents, including President Muhammadu Buhari, the Independent National Electoral Commission and the All Progressive Congress, said the tendering of the documents was not in line with the agreements of the parties to first meet and go through all the documentary evidence to know those they would oppose. The respondents described the action of the petitioners as an ambush. In his response, counsel to the petitioners, Mr. Levi Uzoku, pointed out that paragraph 7 of the agreement by the parties in the petition, which was endorsed by the court, was to the effect that parties will tender documents from the bar and they are at liberty to object to any document at the point they are tendered and then will defer their address on the objection to their final address in the petition. The tribunal, in a unanimous ruling, agreed with the petitioners and ordered them to open their case. The petitioners had brought before the tribunal boxes of electoral materials which include states like Niger, Yobe, Kebbi and Jigawa, but they were only able to tender Form EC8A, EC8B and EC8C, which are results from the polling units, words and state results in the presidential election from Niger and Yobe states. Meanwhile, Professor Nwabueze has asked the tribunal to ensure that justice is done in the hearing of the petition.
We all suspect that the election was rigged. Suspicion is not enough. The matter is now before this tribunal. This tribunal must get to the roots of the matter and tell us the truth.
Further hearing was adjourned to the 5th of July 2019. Amaka Okafo, Channels Television News.